How to change a RAW photo to JPG on your phone. So first, let's assume that you have this photo. And to see the current extension, you want to click on the details, which is currently a JPEG photo. Now you want to open up your browser and then search for JPEG to JPG, and then press the search and then click on the first website. Now you want to basically select your photo that you want to convert to JPG. So in this case, I'm going to select my photo, which is this one, and then scroll down and click on convert and wait for this to convert the image. Now once the image is ready, it should be converted to JPG, as you can see right here. Now click on download to get the new photo, and you can open and view it like this. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.